How to fix Media Feature Pack not showing up in feature list in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter is a Windows utility designed to identify and solve problems related to installing or removing programs. It may address the issue if the Media Feature Pack failed to install properly or was incorrectly uninstalled. Choose Installing when prompted. Find the Media Feature Pack in the list of programs, select it, and proceed with the instructions. Fix 2. Use administrator account. Certain system changes, like installing the Media Feature Pack, might require administrative privileges. Logging into an administrator account can overcome these limitations. Sign out of your current account. Sign in with an account that has administrative privileges. Retry the installation process for the Media Feature Pack. If all else fails, manually downloading and installing the Media Feature Pack can be a reliable fix. This method ensures the direct acquisition and installation of the necessary software components. Before proceeding, make sure that all the latest Windows updates are installed on your system. Find the Media Feature Pack for your specific Windows version. Download the correct pack. Run the downloaded file and follow the installation instructions. Once done, restart your computer.